Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to create this. Yes, so first of all, when you open Blender 2.8 to download Blender 2.8, the link will be in the description. So download it. Then when you open this, you will be greeted with this screen. So click anywhere to move it. Then you will see a cube, camera and a lamp. To move around, just click on the middle mouse button and move around like this. Okay, so we will create first the coffee cup. Press X and delete the cube. Then go into the front view, press 1 and then 5 to orthographic view. To add object to the scene, you can go here and mesh, and from here, but I will just press Shift A, a shortcut key, and click on cylinder. Click on this and change the vertices to 16. Okay, because we will be adding subsurf modifier to this, so 16 is better. Then press tab to go to edit mode, then G to move it, Z to move it in the Z, and press 1. Okay, so we have got it. Now just press Z, hold it and click on wireframe. Now we select everything, select this and GZ, move it like this. Okay, 1 meter. Now to scale it, press S and scale it like this. Now we have this cup. To move this, press X and delete faces. Now we will add 2 edge loops to this. Press Ctrl R and move your mouse wheel up and down like this. It will add only 2, or you can just press 2 on your keyboard. Left click and left click to add it. Now go into the front view, press Alt S and scale it like this. I will select these and press Alt S to scale it. I will scale it like a little bit to make like a curve. Now go to the solid mode and you can jump around. But you will be saying like this is like a paper, like paper cut. Yes, you are right. But we will go to the modifier tab, add modifier, solidifier. This will add thickness to the coffee cup. If you move this will get thicker. So we will do it about like this. This is okay. So we have got the thickness. You can adjust it according to your. Okay, then we will click on apply. Now the everything is looking like blocky, like everything has a block shape. To solve this, we will add subsurf modifier. Click add modifier and add subdivision surface. Now crank this up to 2 to smooth it a little bit. Now it is now looking like blocky, but little blocks. Now press W and shade smooth. Okay, so now I will add edge loop here to move it like it will make it sharp here. Okay, then another edge loop here. No, you don't need this. It's okay. One edge loop is fine. I think so. Now come down. Select this face, the bottom one. Extrude scale. Shift Z. Only on X and Y, not on the Z. Scale it about there. That. Press Ctrl R to add edge loop here. It should be like showing the yellow line of the circle and move it up. Now we have a cup, but just there is like a problem this is showing. So we will hide this modifier, come here and also do the same with this. Extrude scale, shift Z. Now we will move this Now enable the modifier and it's smooth. It's smooth everywhere. Now to add a cup holder, add the side thing. What do you call it? Select these two vertices. Press Shift S, hold it, and cursor to select it. This will move the cursor to the selected edge in the middle. Now I will come here and select 3D cursor to add the that thing here, the circle there. We will add circle, move this to 12 because we have subdivision circle. It will don't make our computer lag. Rotate it like this, R to rotate, J, wireframe, scale it like this. As you can see, it is scaling to the 3D cursor position, but it's alright. Don't worry. Come here, just move it like this, right here. Now if you press space, your animation will start, but my one is showing this search. So to do this, click on edit and differences. Now come to interface. I think so. Now where was it? Key map. Yes. Well, check the spacebar action. You by default it will be on play. Click on search and save preferences. Click on it and close it. It will be alright. Now press space and search spin. You press enter. Now click on this spin option here and change the angle like this. And you can increase the steps or decrease it. So I will like move it to 6. 6 is alright. We don't make it too high poly. You can adjust it by moving this. I will just move it like that. Press R to rotate it. After you rotate it, the option will be on. So make sure everything is right before you do anything. Now I'll move to solid mode, and we have this. To change this, like previously, we press W and shade smooth. It will be smooth again. Now I will give a shape to this. Press 1. Go to wireframe. Select these two and move them like down. WG axis. And select this GZ, G axis, and rotate it like this. So we have like this shape. It's looking cool. Okay. So it is the end of part 1. In the part 2, I will be showing you how to apply the material on it and how to render it. Okay. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos.